Question 12 reads, solve the equation 3 to the power 1 minus 2x plus 4 equals 5. That's 2 marks. Question B, the diagram shows a sector A or B whose area is 231 centimeter square and radius 14 centimeter. The angle subtended at the center is theta. Find the value of theta taking pi to be equal to 22/7. So you notice that there is always a question on indices that to deal with equations. So here we can solve this equation. Let me just create space. So the equation is 3 to the power 1 minus 2x plus 4 equals 5. This is a simple equation if you understand. So to answer this question, the first thing that we need to do is collect the like terms. So we have 3 to the power 1 minus 2x must equal to 5 minus 4. The moment this 4 crosses the equal sign, it becomes a negative. Then you can simplify that. We have 3 to the power 1 minus 2x is equal to 1. Now we know that this is 1. So we need to isolate the exponential. So 3 to the power 1 minus 2x must equal to 3 to the power 0. Why? Because 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Anything less to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this is the principle that we need to use. So now once we do this, then we can proceed to use this principle, the fact that if you have a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, what this tells me is m must equal to n. That's what this means. So based on that, because this is 3, this is 3, which is the same as this principle or the property of indices, then this tells me that 1 minus 2x must is equal to 0. Then so for x, so 1 must equal to 2x. Remember, this is a negative, so the moment it crosses the equal sign, it becomes a positive. Then we are looking for x, we divide by 2, so this one and this one cancels. So what this tells me is x is equal to half. So the value of x is half. So once you do this, you are good to go, and you get the 2 marks. So if you put half here, this will be 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 less to the power 0 is a 1. 1 plus 4 is a 5, which is the same as this 5 this side. So you would have answered the question and gotten it correct. B is asking us to find this value. So given the area is 231 centimeter square, we're given this radius, then it's just a matter of finding the value of theta. So we know that the value of a sector subtended by angle theta is given by this theta over 360, because it's not complete. When it's a complete circle, that theta becomes 360. So it becomes 360 divided by 360, which is a 1. Then multiply by the formula for the area, which is pi r square. So what you notice here is this will be given. This will be given is this one. Then this will be given is 14. Then what we are looking for is this. This is what is missing. The one that I will in black is what is missing. So it's a matter of now substituting. So let me go where there is space again. So we are going to have 231 centimeter square is equal to the theta we are looking for over 360 times what is pi is 22/7, and times we have this is 22/7, which is the pi that we've been given, times the radius, which is 14 centimeter. Then we square it, so it will be 14 square. So here is just a matter of playing with numbers because you don't have a calculator. So we have 231. Remember, these are centimeter square, so I will not be rewriting this one, they'll cancel each other so that I don't waste time. 231 is equal to theta over 360 times 22 over 7 times 14 times 14. Then at this point, 7 into 14 is a 2. That one cancels. Then I'm going to have 2 into 2 is a 1. 2 into 360 is a 180. 2 into 22 is 11. 2 into 180 is a 90. 2 into 14 is a 7. 2 into 90 is 45. So you need to reduce these numbers as much as possible because you are dealing with multiplication without using a calculator. So we have 231 equals 11 times 7 is 77. So I'm going to have 77 theta over this 45. Then at this point, I can cross multiply. So I'm going to have 231 times 45 equals 77 theta. So this is over 1. I've just closed multiply. So 45 times 231, then 1 times 77 theta. Then if I look at this one, sending with a 1. So which number can I multiply by this 7 to give me 1 at the end? You see, 3. So if I come here and say 77 multiplied by 3, 7 times 3 is 21, carry 2. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 2, 23. You see this number is exact that number. So meaning, if I divide 77 into this one, it will be 1. 77 into this one, it will be a 3, like that. Then I end up with now a 3 times 45, which is equal to theta. 3 times, you can come here again, 45 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15, carry 1. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1, 13, 135. So this tells me that this theta we are looking for is equal to 135 degrees because it's degrees. So this is how you answer this question to get the other 2 marks. So 135 degrees. So I hope I've given you enough context to smash this question. Don't forget to download our Study Companion app because practice makes it permanent. And in that app, you are going to find so much resources, so many questions that you can use to practice and build your confidence. Join me as I look at question 13.